So when I talk about the IGIDR exam, there are 3 sections. One is the English and the reasoning section, which has only 5 questions. Other is the basic math and stat, which has 15 questions. And the third is the eco part, which has 15 questions. Okay. Now, IGIDR basically says that you have to be proficient in class 12 maths and statistics as learnt in your college. Okay. So for preparing for IGIDR math and as well as eco, most important part for this will be the JNU papers. Most important part will be the JNU papers. Okay. For the math part, even do ISI DSC papers of the last 5 years. Especially for the math part. I'm not saying don't do it in the eco part. Do it. I'm only telling you because we have approximately 25 days. So your aim has to be to do 15 years of the past JNU papers. Okay. And ISI DSC at least the last 5 years properly. Okay. The eco part in IGIDR will tend to be theoretical like the JNU questions. And the syllabus in the eco part is anything that you have done in undergraduation. I don't expect GK questions to come in the eco part. Okay. In development economics, Gini coefficient, Lorentz curve, these can come. 5-year plans, those parts are not important for the eco part in IGIDR. Yes, both the SIS and SSS, both. In the eco part, you may get questions from trade as well, okay, which don't feature prominently in ISI DSC, but in IGIDR trade may come. Okay. So in the eco part, when I talk about in the micro, what are the important parts? It's consumer behavior, it is production cost, it is general equilibrium, it is markets. These are the prominent areas. Okay. Here, game theory, choice under uncertainty is included in consumer behavior itself. This is for the micro part. The macro part, whatever ma'am has covered on the portal, like SKM, ISLM, ADAS, this forms the crux for the macro part. For development economics, poverty, inequality, human development index, okay, and growth models like Solo. I'll be doing Harris Todaro and Harrod-Domar. Okay? This is what is important. Lewis model also take a look at. Right? Apart from this, I will also mention international trade. So this finishes up your eco section. These have to be the topics to focus on for the eco section, especially focus on the JNU questions of the last 15 years. Okay? I don't have to say it, but you also need to do the IGIDR sample paper. That has to be the first thing to do. IGIDR sample paper, please do that. Now, to talk about the math portion, important areas, calculus, important areas, matrices or linear algebra. Okay. In the stat portion, what is important? Probability distribution, sampling, estimation, basics of correlation and regression. So when I talk about regression, focus on CLRM only. MLRM, I don't expect that to come. The multiple linear regression model, it's not very important for these entrance exams. Okay. In the maths part, LPP, matrices, calculus, quadratics. Okay. And some more class 12 maths sections. Okay. We have noticed it in the past that IJIDR loves picking a topic and filling the paper with that particular topic. So if they ask you maxima minima questions, so out of the 15 questions, I will expect 3 to 4 questions coming from only maxima and minima. Okay, if they pick up say probability, they might give you 3 to 4 questions out of the 15 questions only from probability. Okay, so they like to pick up a topic. Please don't do selective studying at all. That acha, I'm not too good with probability, so I'll be skipping it and then I'll do everything remaining. No, please don't do that. This is not your college examination where you need to score a 70 out of 100. You need to be in the top 2 percentile in order to clear these entrance examinations. So treat it with that kind of seriousness. Do not do selective studying. Keep this thing in your mind. Selective studying is a complete no. Okay. Other topics which may not feature in ISI DSC will be coordinate geometry and conics. They have asked questions from these parts also in the past. It is a possibility that they ask you questions from here. Okay. It is the theory is there on the portal, but please don't give it too much of time. Okay. Finish coordinate and conics in say 4 hours in a day. That's it. That is the amount of time that you need to give to these topics. They are not very important, but they have featured in IJIDR examinations in the past. Okay. Okay. Now, for the English and the reasoning section, for the reasoning part, JNU questions. For the English part, look at our mock test series. This is the only practice. English and the reasoning part, the mock test and the JNU papers. Okay? So this has to be the method of your preparation. Now for IJIDR, it is important that you do each and every mock test of ours. Each mock test will give you a different flavor. So I want each of you to be prepared from all aspects, from all angles. And each of the mock test of EduSure will give you that opportunity. They are different. Okay, they will have different elements that each of them will be testing you on. Okay, so this has to be your approach when it comes to IJIDR entrance examination. So just to give you a benchmark, last year out of the total net score of 35, the cutoff net score was 21 along with sectional cutoffs. So 21 was the cutoff in order to feature in the interview call for IJIDR. Okay, so that is approximately 60%, right? Approximately 60% you need to score, but each aspect has a score to it. So please try and score very well in the entrance examination so that your interview goes in a very smooth fashion. So in the English and the reasoning section, they have mentioned English or reading comprehension. Okay. it can happen that all the 5 questions are from English and comprehension, right? It can happen that they give you 3 questions from verbal and they give you 2 questions from reasoning. So anything is possible in the English and the comprehension part. Okay. Reasoning is not very important because out of the 35 there are only 5 questions. How much will they ask? Right? There will be an English aspect in it, 100%. At least 3 questions out of the 5 will be the English aspect. Maximum 2 questions can come from the reasoning part. The negative marking last year was 1/4. So getting +1 and -1/4. That was the negative marking criterion of the last year. This answers most of the questions that were there for IJADR.